Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to read the TradingView Measure tool. The Measure tool is a powerful feature that allows users to measure distances, angles, and other parameters on trading charts. To start using the Measure tool, first open your TradingView account and navigate to the Chart section. Click on the Measure tool icon, which is usually represented by a ruler or a protractor. Once you have selected the Measure tool, you can begin measuring distances and angles on your chart. The Measure tool allows you to measure the distance between 2 points, the angle between 2 lines, and the length of a trend line. To measure the distance between 2 points, simply click on the starting point and then click on the ending point. The Measure tool will then display the distance between the 2 points in pips or price units. To measure the angle between 2 lines, select the Measure tool and click on the starting point of the first line. Then, click on the ending point of the first line and finally click on the ending point of the second line. The Measure tool will then display the angle between the 2 lines in degrees. In addition to measuring distances and angles, the Measure tool also allows you to measure the length of a trend line. To do this, select the Measure tool and click on the starting point of the trend line. Then, click on the ending point of the trend line. The Measure tool will then display the length of the trend line in pips or price units. To get the most out of the Measure tool, it is essential to understand the different settings and options available. The Measure tool allows you to choose between different units of measurement, such as pips or price units. You can also choose to display the measurements in a different color or font size. Best practices for using the Measure tool include using it in conjunction with other technical analysis tools, such as trend lines and indicators. This can help you to identify key levels of support and resistance and make more informed trading decisions. It is also essential to use the Measure tool in different time frames to get a more comprehensive view of the market. In conclusion, the Measure tool is a powerful feature that can help you to make more informed trading decisions. By understanding how to use the Measure tool and its different settings and options, you can take your trading to the next level. Remember to use the Measure tool in conjunction with other technical analysis tools and to use it in different time frames to get a more comprehensive view of the market.